Hello and welcome back, girls, for the fashion magazine. I hope everyone has been spending a great week. If you're working, if you're studying, if you're a mom, if you're on holiday, so good for you. So today we go back with very inspiring videos. As we promised before, we'll be helping you find the great sources if you're looking to buy something great or to be inspired by other celebrities. So today, as you can see from the title, we will be talking about Hailey Bieber style and looks. And guess what, girls? We have found the right choices for you, and where you can find them. They are available in the market on a very good budget. You'll be very surprised from the prices, and also with a great quality, because we want to give you the most genuine opinions and the right feedbacks so you can enjoy the choices you make and buy something especially sustainable and you could enjoy for different events. So stay with us till the end of this video, and I hope you will enjoy your time with us and the choices that we have picked for you today. Okay, let's start with look number one. The look number one, we have picked the long sleeve dress with open back. I think we all agree that this dress is phenomenal. It's an amazing dress, very chic. I like the word chic because I like everything that is simple and can go with any different styles and looks. This dress could go for different events. You can wear it for a party, for a wedding, for anything you can imagine. Especially the spring is coming soon and the summer, so you can wear this dress in different events. And the good surprise, this dress we have found the same exactly and even better, believe it or not, at Pull&Bear. I like it on the model as well. The quality is amazing. This dress is on sale now. Sadly for me, I have bought this dress because I was impatient, and I bought it with the same price as you can see at $40-ish. So this dress is with a great quality. I will zoom in so you can see it on the model. We can see the shapes. It looks very nice, and it actually, I can imagine everyone wearing this dress with different shapes. And believe it or not, girl, whatever is your shape, this dress will look amazing at you. So if you have an event or you have anything coming in the summer, please try to see something like that. And actually on Pull&Bear, we picked other choices kind of the same with an open back, so you can choose something from here. Why Pull&Bear? Because I've seen the quality of the dresses and they look amazing, so I can assure you about this. Okay, let's go for look number two. We have picked the casual Hailey, and in this style we have found for you girls the puffy leather vintage jacket, and it looks amazing on her. And I think we all need a leather jacket at home. And what I like about this jacket, it looks like your grandmother jacket that you inherited from her. And from the picture you can tell Hailey Bieber has styled this one in different ways and for different occasions. And this jacket actually is available now at H&M, and the price is only $66.99, and also available at Bershka, as you can tell from the pictures and from the website. We're sharing with you the pictures so you can zoom in. We have found the same jeans at Bershka for $12.99. It's actually on sale now, so if you want to buy it, go ahead. And I always advise girls not to pay and spend a lot of money on jeans, because it's just a jean. No one will compliment you about the jean because it's the same thing. So you shouldn't buy things that they're very expensive and end up changing. We always have like different jeans. We wear them to feel comfortable. So I like this one. And we have mentioned on our first video that the flare jeans are back on the market, and you need to buy one because you could style it with high heels and with very nice flats or any sneakers you want. For the tops, I'm not gonna ask you to buy a t-shirt because you surely have t-shirts in your closet, so don't go buy one. You can wear whatever you want and that will look nice with you. For look number three, we picked the Mysterious Girl, where Hailey Bieber has worn a lot of skirts and skorts with pullovers, and you can tell the color brown is very nice and it's very trendy, so you have to pick up mostly, if you want to copy her, the beige, the brown and the black. So if you're looking to wear this outfit in different serious events or to go to work with. So you have to pick up a very nice skirt, maybe longer than this, it could be in leather, or a very nice pullover with a coat. So today we'll be talking about the pullover, where you can find them. So those choices are available at Skims, and the price of this brown pullover is at $56. Also, you can find a cheaper price at Pull&Bear, and the price is now at $20.29, and you can check. All the information will be mentioned by the end of this video and in the comments. And at the same time, for this kind of skirt or skirts or shorts, they are available with a very good quality at Zara. You can find them in brown, in black, in leather, and I'm gonna put all the information I have said before. I hope you enjoyed the 3 looks we have shared with you today, and you find those sources very interesting, and I hope you try them even if you have other sources. Also, I would like to mention her amazing loafers. They are available at H&M at the price of $39.90 USA. So please check on the website. As you can see, they are amazing. We're coming to the spring, so you need something like that so you can go to work or to go shopping, and they look nice on a jean or even on skirts and shirts. So don't forget to comment and to tell us what celebrity you want us to style again and to find these resources. And please subscribe and share. Looking forward to see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.
Please whatever.